Hi, I want to show you how we can connect our Team-GPT with Keyword Planner from Google Ads via the new integration of n8n. I want to research top 10 keywords of our website and then get their search volume from last 24 months and compare last 12 months with the previous 12 months. First, research where to digital websites for top 10 keywords. Research multiple pages. Now, Team-GPT will crawl our website and will get top 10 keywords from it, and then we'll use them in our keyword planner. So let's wait for Team-GPT to get the job done. Team-GPT is ready with the top 10 keywords. And we can see that B2B digital marketing, data-driven marketing, first-party data, and others are the keywords which we can use after that in our keyword planner agent. We've prepared a prompt which we can use for activating the n8n workflow. Keyword planner prompt. And here we need to fill some variables to get the data from the keyword planner. First, we need to get the keywords. Get the keywords from the chat. Language is English. Country is United States. We want data for last 24 months. And I've prepared instructions which we can use for the format output which we want as a result at the end. We want for every keyword last 12 months compared to the previous 12 months, and also the average values for these months. Let's apply it and see what happened next. Now, Team-GPT will activate the workflow and we'll wait for it to be executed, and at the end we will become the data here in the interface. So let's wait. The workflow is run, and now we can see that the workflow is running, and we can view the workflow in our n8n instance, and we see it's running, and in the editor we can see what's our workflow. We need to wait to be executed and to become the result from the workflow. Now let's wait for the results. So now we become an update in the chat, and we can see for every keyword what's the values and what's the comparison. We see that the first table is with all 24 months values and for all top 10 keywords. We can see the change in absolute value and the change in percentages. So at the end, we can see that we became 12 months average comparison, which is for every keyword, what's their search volume for last 12 months compared to the previous 12 months. And we can see that we can go with data-driven marketing, we can go with SEO services, and the others. Marketing analytics is not that popular in the United States. So now we can go deep and research more and become the result in the format which we want here in Team-GPT.